In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chats on WhatsApp Web. Managing your WhatsApp chats effectively is essential, especially when you want to keep your online conversations organized and your interface clutter-free. Whether you're decluttering your chat list or simply wanting to remove old conversations, this guide will show you just how easy it is to clear chats from your WhatsApp Web application. We'll begin by navigating to your WhatsApp Web account. After opening the web version, you'll notice your chat list on the left side of the screen, displaying all your active conversations. To start the process of clearing a chat, select the chat you wish to modify by clicking on its conversation preview. This will open up the detailed chat window containing the messages exchanged with that particular contact. Now, to find the option for clearing chats, first look towards the top right corner of the chat window. There you'll see a small arrow icon. This arrow is crucial as it provides additional settings and options relevant to your conversation. Go ahead and click on this arrow. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear with various actions you can perform on that particular chat. Within this menu, locate the option labeled Clear Chat. This action allows you to delete all messages within the selected conversation while retaining the chat in your list. It's a convenient way to start fresh without losing the contact information or chat history context in your list. Once you've found and clicked on Clear Chat, the system may prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a precautionary step to ensure that you want to permanently remove all messages in that chat, so make sure to carefully confirm that this is the action you'd like to take. By selecting Clear Chat, you will effectively delete all the message history within the selected chat. Remember, while this doesn't remove the contact from your chat list, it does help in reducing clutter and can improve your overall messaging experience. The contacts will still be visible, and you can continue new conversations with them at any time. It's also worth noting that this process can be repeated for any number of chats you'd like to clear out, and is particularly useful for those of us who communicate heavily through WhatsApp and need a way to ensure older, unnecessary messages are not constantly filling up our screens. Once you're done, feel free to move on knowing you've organized your WhatsApp web space a little better today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made your chat management tasks on WhatsApp Web a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more useful tutorials on keeping your digital life organized and efficient.